Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve freezing on Discord app. To know how to fix or how to solve freezing on Discord app problem, you should just go to settings as you see and you can click. After that you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to the window of Discord. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.